Hi guys, today we're going to be doing some problems with complex numbers. So one thing that we'll need to remember is that I squared equals -1. So once we know that I squared is -1, we can now use that in our computations. So let's say we had this problem. Let me change our colors here. So let's say we have 2i times -3i times 4i. Okay, so what does PEMDAS say? Let's do from left to right. So let's try that first. So 2i times -3i. So that would be 2 times -3 gives us -6i squared. Okay, and then that will be times 4i. Well, what did we say I squared is equal to? -1. So this is literally -6 times -1, and then that's times 4i. So what's -6 times -1? That's a +6. So +6 times 4i would now give us, let's multiply those coefficients, 6 times 4 is 24i. And that is our final answer, 24i. Okay, all right, let's do some other problems. Okay, let's erase this here and let's do another problem. Okay, let's say we had this. 11 plus I plus 3 minus 15i. Okay, so all we're doing is we're adding these two binomials. So this would be 11 plus I. Since this is a plus here, we're really distributing just a positive one. So nothing, the signs will not change in the second parenthesis. So this will just be plus 3 and a minus 15i. So what do we have to do? Combine like terms. So let's start with our constant terms, our real numbers. So that would be 11 plus 3 would give us 14. All right, now let's combine our I terms, our imaginary numbers. So let's say we do this one and this one, right? So that would be 1i minus 15i. That would give us what? Minus 14i. And that is our final answer. Okay, let's try another one. Now in this one, we're going to actually multiply binomials with I. Okay, so let's do this one. 4 plus 4i times -3 minus 3i. So as we know, when we need to multiply binomials, that means we're going to FOIL. Okay, so what does FOIL stand for? First, first we'll do first. That's what the F stand for. So that would be our -4 times -3. -4 times -3 is a +12. Then we do our outside. So that would be -4 times -3i. So -4 times -3i will be a +12i. Okay? The I stands for the inside, so we're going to do these two numbers. A +4i times a -3. +4 times -3 is -12, and then we have our I. And then we're going to do last, which would be this times this. So that would be a +4i minus times a -3i. +4 times a -3 would give us a -12, and then we would have I squared. So what happens? We have a plus 12i and a minus 12i. These cancel. So what are we left with? We have our 12 minus 12i squared. Well, what did we say I squared is equal to? -1. So that's 12 times -12 times, 12 minus 12 times -1. So 12 minus 12 times -1, that would just be 12 plus 12, right? Because a -12 times a -1 gives us a +12. And what is 12 plus 12? 24. And that is our final answer. All right, we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.